Whoa. I mean, there's like guards over there. What do?
We could go outside from the lobby.
But there's still. Oh, you want to go like down to the subway?
Yeah, what do you want?
Okay, yeah, let's do that. Or is that side open? I doubt that side would be open, right? Like walking past it?
Yeah, we can go check.
Oh, okay. I mean, that would be really dumb. What's this man doing? Is he just gonna jump it? Oh, what's up? Oh, it's open now. Oh. What time is it? 8:15. Let's go. Soba. The elevator's turned off. Like, it was yesterday. Like, remember yesterday morning? The elevators were off. Let's just. Yeah. I mean, there's no light on them. That man's waiting for one, but I think. Okay, that one's on. But we're already here. Also, it'd be cooler for the vlog.
Did you start recording already?
Yeah. Paris baguette. That's like a half Japanese, half French accent. We have to look for signs for the subway, right? Is it right or left? Left. Oh, nice. How's Dana feeling though? If your VPN's working, I'll just let you do comms. Oh my. Wait, how do you know Philip's up? I don't see his message.
Oh, you said I'm up in Discord.
Oh, but I only see your message. Okay, well, my message isn't sending, but it received yours somehow. Wait, this is closed. Do you want to go? Yeah, those are the doors.
It's locked.
What? How do we get to the metro then?
This is also not the way we went.
Yesterday. Right, yeah. Oh, this is the. Is that the latte store? The department store? You can't go there. You have to find a way this way. Oh, but that hallway would have been sick footage. Yeah. Do you remember how which restaurant or which place we were in here? I mean, there are some other signs. Let's see. Escalators are on. There's no signs for the metro.
Yeah, let's go outside.
Yeah, it'll be faster. Or at least we know the way. Oh man, the stress smells good. Dana's up too.
That's usually out front. Maybe like usually out front.
Yeah. Just wanna go that way? Or that one, that one.
This is the
Oh, this is the long one. That only goes one way. What? Could have sworn I saw a Discord notification, but now it's not there on my phone anymore.
I sent the message and it just
Oh, okay, I got it.
until you like told me that.
I was like, damn, China's firewall is so good. I get the notification without the message. Oh, poggers. Do those automatic doors work? Or do you have to go with the... Oh, on the left, I think. That one might work? Oh, left. Oh, no, that's closed, Left is closed. It's open? Let's just go to where those guards are standing then. They're letting people in, they should let us out. Oh, we can take them. That's the place we're trying to go, right? Yeah. The Metro something arcade.
Well, we never had like the stall outside, the trick outside of it.
So you're saying it's more right? Ooh.
Yeah, so
Oh, watch out. Let him cook. They're all going up. Should we just do the stairs? Should we take the stairs? I think this escalator is closed. Wait, but that's the metro station. We're supposed to go to the arcade. It's over here. Yeah. Nice. Hey. It's food time. I know, yesterday I think the cashier wished me good morning, but I wasn't paying attention. So I feel bad. So I'm gonna wish her good morning today. Well, I'll still wish them good morning. I should initiate the conversation. Let them know I speak Chinese. Wow, it's busy. Oh, it's the same one. I got more stuff. Yeah, but we just want. Two of these?
这个两个，分开装吗？
一起装出。You want to try this?
Yeah. Is it good like two of these?
再来两个这个
可乐饼。
And what meat do you want? Skewers? Get two skewers?
Yeah.
Okay. 谢谢。
再来两个这个
加热啊。
两个这个炸鸡串。
Can I get the dry one? Can I get one
哪
of the
个
dry
鸡
ones?
腿？鸡串吗？
来两个鸡串。
要哪个鸡腿？
一个这个，一个这个。
这个和这个。
一样来一个。
两个土豆饼，两个葱油饼。
还有两个鸡串。
两个土豆饼，两个葱油饼，然后大给北海道。
一个大大，一个北海道。
上面拿了一个上面前面啊，你要小点是吧
6样37.9块，这边是45块。
豆浆前面有。